Hi everyone, this is Shobana, Assistant Professor, Department of Defense and Strategic Studies, Don Bosco College, Illigri Hills. So today we are going to see the course General Economics. General Economics, as far as the defense course is concerned, it is very easy. You don't have to do any problems or anything. It's a very easy course. So the course code is FADS33 as per the Trivandrum University. So now let's go with the course flow. Unit 1 is economic analysis, Unit 2 is national income, Unit 3 is market mechanism, and Unit 4 is market forms, and Unit 5 is defense economics. In the final unit, we will be studying about defense economics. So we'll go for the next slide. So what are the course objectives? Why do we study this course? The first one is to understand the fundamental principles of economics. See, every course has its own fundamental principles and everyone must know about it. And the next one is analyze economic data and trends. There are so many data that is available around us and we must know how to analyze these data and trends. And also apply the concept of micro and macroeconomic impacts. What is microeconomic impact? Microeconomic impact is that you will just focus on a specific area, whereas macroeconomic is that you will focus on as a whole, that is the whole country, the whole nation, it's like that. And then evaluate decision making including at the individual and social level, not only the individual level. I must consider the household as well as the entire country. So these are the 4 objectives for why we study this course. Now we'll go for the next slide. This is the course outcome. So what do you learn? What do you know after studying this course? The first one is overview of economic analysis. It explores the basic economic problems of economy. That is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. And the next one is analyze trends in national income along with the implications for economic planning. If you need to plan, you must know how much income we get, how much income we receive. So the second unit talks about national income, by which you will know how to analyze it. And the next one, explore the market mechanism. Market mechanism mainly deals with demand and supply, and that is one of the most important outcome which you receive from that, because there is no market without demand and supply. And the next one, analyzing the characteristics of perfect competition, monopoly. There are various competitions that is available in the market which we are getting used to, and we can't see perfect competition now. We can say that there is monopolistic competition where there is every seller and every buyer, and you will know about it later in the upcoming units. And the next one, discussing the concept of disarmament and its role in promoting peace. There is a 5th unit, we saw the defense economics, am I right? So in defense economics, we not only study about how we spend for weapons, at the same time we study about how we reduce the usage of weapons, and that is called disarmament and its role in promoting peace. So the text in reference books which I prefer is that Dr. Shankaran, because it is available in our college library, so you can use that book. So with this, I am stopping with the introduction of this course, and I will take one more unit and we'll see you there. Thank you.